In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a beautiful frame to a photo, picture, or image in Microsoft Word. Adding a frame is a simple way to make your images stand out and give your documents a polished and professional look. Whether you're working on a report, presentation, or creative project, this feature helps highlight your visuals with style. To begin, open your Word document and insert the image you want to frame. Go to the Insert tab, click on Pictures, and select the photo from your computer. Once the image is inserted, click on it to make the Picture Format tab appear at the top of the ribbon. On the Picture Format tab, you'll find a variety of tools to customize your image. To add a frame, click on Picture Border. Here you can choose the color, weight, and style of the border. Selecting a color that complements your image or document theme can make it visually appealing. You can also adjust the thickness by choosing weight, and for a more unique look, pick a dashed or dotted style from the Dashes menu. For an even more decorative frame, you can use the Picture Effects option on the same tab. Click on Picture Effects, then choose from options such as Shadow, Reflection, Glow, Soft Edges, or 3D Rotation. Combining these effects with a border can create a visually striking frame around your image. If you want a frame that is more elaborate, consider using shapes. Go to the Insert tab, select Shapes, and choose a rectangle, oval, or any shape that fits your image. Draw the shape around the image, right-click it, and select Format Shape. In the Format Shape pane, set the fill to no fill so the image shows through, and adjust the line options to customize the border color, weight, and style. Then, bring the shape behind the image by using the Bring Forward or Send Backward options so it acts as a frame. Once you're satisfied with your framed image, you can resize, reposition, and apply additional formatting to make it fit perfectly within your document layout. Experimenting with different combinations of borders, effects, and shapes can help you create a truly beautiful and unique frame for any image. And that's it. You now know how to add a beautiful frame to any photo, picture, or image in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.